Arc flash incidents occur 5 to 10 times daily in the United States. This is just unacceptable. I am Bob Stevenson with Remote Solutions. Arc flash garments are designed for thermal exposure protection, do nothing for the physical forces that are expelled during an arc flash incident. One of the main causes of arc flash incidents in the workplace is racking a circuit breaker. In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use distance as a means of protection against arc flash by allowing operators to remotely rack circuit breakers. This is the safety rack model SRH Universal Circuit Breaker Racking Tool. The application today is the ABB ITE 5HK250 circuit breaker. The safety rack product, it consists of a system controller, a power drive motor, and a power comm cable. The power comm cable is 35 feet, and that allows you to connect from your working point out to a safe distance to connect to the system controller. The application today, being the ITE HK breaker, will allow us to select the particular transmission assembly, which the application color is clover. The application on the circuit breaker door is clover. We'll select the drive transmission drive bracket clover as well. We make the assembly of the transmission selected to the motor. Take the transmission drive bracket assembly, mount it on the door. Install the drive transmission and motor assembly into the drive bracket, locking it in place, making the drive bracket power connection, the motor power connection, and the transmission data connection. At that point, we will extend our power comm cable out to a safe distance, taking out all the slack, take our system controller, and make our connections, prepare for racking. Now we'll set up the system controller, setting it up about 30 feet away from the work to be performed. Take the other end of the power comm cable, connect it, transmission connection, take the power cable for the system controller, plug it in, turn on. We will get our greeting screen, which is the breaker profiles installed, letting us know what applications may already be resident in the system controller. We'll just touch the screen to continue. We have our application software user agreement. The pre-racking checklist, which is standard for all applications. It's a reality checkpoint for the operator to verify that the breaker is open. They've checked that it's not in a safety condition, lockout, tagout, that the breaker door is closed and latched, and that we know the breaker is in a position to either disconnect, test, or connect. Once we've confirmed that, it brings us to the screen acknowledging that we have connected the Clover application for the ITE 5HK circuit breaker. It gives us a text content, also an image of this type of circuit breaker, and we confirm that that's the breaker that we wish to rack. At this point, we select the breaker current position and our destination we wish to rack. And then we initiate by touching the rack breaker. It will engage the tool, wait for the connection to be made, lift the positive interlock, and start to rack the circuit breaker. We will notice that we start from the connect position. It will start traveling outward, giving us our expected turn count. In this case, for this application, it's 19 turns and an actual dynamic logging of turns received. It'll pass the test position automatically, releasing the interlock and then slowing down into the disconnect position. We looked for 19 turns, received 19 turns. We have accomplished our racking. It says racking complete. The breaker is in the disconnect position. Racking is complete. Arc flash incidents in the United States rank 6th among work-related injuries and death. Adopting a tool like Safety Rack will help mitigate the occurrence of that in the workplace. I'm Bob Stevenson with Remote Solutions.